This is a video to show you how to download and install the Arduino IDE for creating a program on the microprocessor. So I'm going to select my browser. I'm going to bring up some stuff here, and I will go out to Arduino.cc. And notice that it's the .cc, not .com or something else. So we want some software, and we want to download it, and I will choose this Windows 10 and newer. Click here, and I will just download it. And I will just download it again. That will download it, and for my PC it will put it in the downloads folder. And I'm done with that. Now if I take and go to my download folder, I should be able to find it here somewhere. There it is. I click the date modified to sort it to the top. I can just start it up. And agree to terms. Make it for use by anybody. Click next. And click yes and let it install. So I already have it installed on this computer, so I'm not going to do it again. So I'll stop here.